Tigernix Wastewater Intelligence Suite. Tigernix Wastewater Intelligence Software Suite is the future-ready platform that transforms how wastewater systems are managed digitally. Designed for utilities that prioritize sustainability, efficiency, and compliance, this suite brings AI, digital twin, immersive technologies, satellite, and IoT together. Covering four main aspects of the wastewater plant, the Tigernix Suite is developed via Industry 4.0 capabilities to manage everything from collection, pumping, and treatment to recycling on one screen. This all-in-one platform helps wastewater management get a complete view of wastewater quality, energy use, and system performance at a glance. Connect with Tigernix to meet our digital transformation consultants by emailing us at info@tigernix.com or dialing +656 760 6647. Tigernix Wastewater Intelligence Software Suite. Step into the era of digitally orchestrated wastewater management with us today.